Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet flower that's perfect for beginners. This flower is a great choice. Materials needed. Before we start, let's go over the materials you shall need. A yarn in your favorite color, scissor, crochet hook, a yarn needle. First we need a make slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your fingers to create a loop. Then pull a piece of yarn through the loop to make a knot. Tighten it on your crochet hook. Creating the foundation chain. Next we shall create a foundation chain. Yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. Repeat this until you have a chain of 6 stitches, forming a circle. Now, join the last chain to the first chain with a slip stitch to form a circle. This will be the center of your flower. Let's start on the petals. Chain 3, then make 2 double crochets into the center of the circle. Chain 3 again and slip stitches into the center. Repeat this process 5 more times to create a petals. Your flower should start taking shape. Finishing the flower. Once you have petals, cut the yarn leaving a tail. Pull the tail through the loop to secure it. Use your yarn needle to weave in any loose ends. If you want, you can add a button or bead to the center of the flower for extra details. Sew it in place with your yarn needle. And there you have it, a beautiful crochet flower. You can use it to decorate hats, bags, or anything you like. If you want, you can add buttons or beads to the center of the flower for extra details. Sew it in place with your yarn needle. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up.